strategy is the blueprint for success in any entrepreneurial journey. It's not just about having a great idea, it's about how you execute that idea. A solid strategy involves setting clear goals, understanding your market, and identifying your unique value proposition. It's about anticipating challenges and being adaptable. Think of it as a roadmap. You wouldn't embark on a cross-country trip without a map, right? Similarly, your strategy guides your decisions, helping you allocate resources effectively and prioritize tasks. Moreover, a good strategy is data-driven. It requires analyzing trends, customer behavior, and competitive landscapes. This insight allows you to pivot when necessary and seize opportunities as they arise. In essence, strategy is the art of making informed choices that align with your vision, ensuring that every step you take brings you closer to your entrepreneurial goals.